Good morning, student. Today we are going to see next chapter, or you say next topic, because in NCRT it's a next topic, in DK Goel it's a next chapter, that is journal or original book of entries. Okay, beta. This is that main book in which we are going to enter all the entry, all the transaction in the form of entry. Okay, beta. What is the journal? Journal is one pro forma on which we are going to present all transactions. All transaction in entry form. All transaction in entry form. Now, just see the pro forma of journal. This is the pro forma. Date, particular, JF, amount, debit and amount credit. This is the pro forma of journal. Okay, beta? This is the pro forma of journal. First we are going to enter the date of the transaction, then particular. In this particular we are going to enter the entry, then JF, on which journal folio, on which LF is there, on which ledger folio this entry will transferred is entered here, and then amount debit and amount credit. Okay, beta? Amount debit and amount credit. Clear? This is the pro forma. In this pro forma we are entered like this: cash account DR here, to capital, then narration here, business start by cash, amount one here and one here. Okay, beta? This is the pro forma of journal. This is the pro forma of journal. Clear? In this journal, in this pro forma, in this journal pro forma, we are going to enter or posted or enter the all transaction in entry form. This all called entry. This called entry. It's a entry. Okay? And this is the narration, beta. It's a narration. Business start by the cash. Business start with the cash. Or other thing. What type of transaction we are going to following, or from which transaction we are going to do this journal entry, that is called narration. Just posted here, that is the narration. All the things which are we are entered here, that is called narration. This is the narration, beta, and this is the entry. It's a debit and this is a credit. Okay, it's a debit and second capital is credit. In this way, on this way we are going to present the journal entry in journal. Okay, I think well known, well clear about the system in which we are going to present this journal. Okay, beta? I think well known the pro forma, the system in which we are going to present this journal or entries. It's clear now? Now, how we are going to do this, the debit and credit, and what is the basic rule for the making of debit and credit, that is very important, because by the utilizing of these all rule we are going to do the different entry here, debit and credit. It's the pro forma, but why cash is debit and why capital is credit? For that we have well known about the rule of these all three account: personal, real and nominal. Okay, in last class I was explained this all things: personal, real and nominals, and rule of personal, real and nominal. Okay, beta? Again I like to repeat these things. Personal account, the account which is related with the name of business, firm or person, that is personal account. Real account, the account which is related with the assets, things, that is the real account. the account which is related with the income and expenditure, that is called nominal account. Okay beta? And then rule in personal account, receiver, debit, giver, credit. Receiver, debit and giver, credit. Okay beta? In personal account, receiver, debit and giver, credit. In real account, what's come in? What's come in means what's come in the business, that will debit, and what goes out, that will credit. Okay beta? What comes in, debit, what goes out, credit. Okay beta? Clear? No problem about that. Next, nominal. In nominal, all expense and loss debit, all expense and loss debit, and all income and profit credit. Okay beta? Clear? Remember the rules now? I am just repeating this, so the remember the rules. Now, how to write this journal entry in journal pro forma? It's clear. It's the narration, debit and credit, debit amount, credit amount, okay, and then one line for finishing of one journal entry, and then these three account and its rule. Okay. Now I will going to explain how we are going to do this type of entry by the utilizing of rule. For that I am just making the three step. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In first step we are going to identify the two accounts in every transaction. I think you well know about that. Without the two accounts or without the two side, no transaction will done. Okay, every transaction have two sides. It's sure and certain. Okay beta? It's sure and certain. Every transaction have two sides. Okay beta? Clear? So first we are going to identify the two side. Okay beta? Two side of every transactions. Okay? First we are going to identify the two side. Then relate these two sides with these three: personal or real or nominal. Okay beta? Then we are going to relate these two account or two side accounts with the personal, real or nominal. As like that, if one is RAM and second is goods, so RAM will relate with the personal and goods will relate with the real. Okay? Then we are going to relate with that account with the personal, real and nominal, and then follow up the rules. Okay beta? Then follow up the rules, that debit and credit. Just see how we are going to do this. Okay? Just think. Goods purchase in cash. Okay? Goods purchase in cash. Two account. One is goods are purchased. Second is cash. Okay? One is goods and second is cash. And both are the relate with the real account. Okay beta? Both are the relate with the real account. Then second step is finished. Last step, rules. What comes in debit and what goes out credit. Purchase means goods come in, then goods account debit to cash, then narration. Okay beta? Clear? How we are doing this entry? Clear or not? Just follow up these three steps for one or two questions only. Then all the steps is remember in your mind and you directly go to the entries. Okay beta? You will directly go for the entries. But first we are going to identify the two accounts, then relate with these two accounts with the real, personal and nominal, and then follow up the rule of these all three: account, personal, real and nominal. Okay, just see other. Cash received from Ram. Then again, one is Ram and second is cash. First step is finished. Then relate with the, this is the personal account and this is the real account. Second step is finished. Okay. Then rule, follow of the rule. Cash received from Ram. Ram is giver. And giver is what? Debit or credit? Credit. And what's come in? It's a real. So what's comes in? That is debit. So comes in cash. So cash will, cash account debit to Ram. Okay, beta? Clear? As like that. First we are going to identify the both account, then relate with the personal, real or nominal, and then follow the rule. Okay, beta? Then follow the rule. Just see more. Goods purchased from Syam or Sita, Geeta, anyone. Purchase, it means one is purchase or goods. On the place of goods are purchase. Goods, if purchase there, then we are going to use the purchase. Sell, then we are going to use the sell. Okay? So one is goods are purchased. And second is Ram. Just think about the Ram. Okay? Purchase is the relate with the real account and Ram with the personal accounts. What comes in debit? Purchase comes in debit. Purchase account debit to Ram. No need to follow the both because we well known about the, we have only two side beta. We have only two side, one debit and credit. If one is set for the debit, the second sure and certain will credit. As like here, purchase is debit is set, then Ram will credit, confirm. Okay, just opposite. Sell goods to Ram. So sells here. Again sales is real account and Ram is personal account. Then goes out means credit and Ram is receiver means debit. Then Ram debit to sales. Okay beta? The account word we are not using on the front of any personal account. See that account word we are not using in any personal account beta. Okay? We are not going to use. Okay? Now I am going to see one question and try to solve in front of you and then present in journal pro forma. Not like that. In journal form. First I am going to make the journal pro forma. Then I am going to put these all entry in this journal pro forma beta. Okay? First I think well known about the pro forma of journal and rule. Three rule is there. Personal, real and nominal. Okay beta? That clear or not? I'm just divided this board in two parts. By that we will easily make more entry. Just two part. Date, particular, LF, amount debit, amount credit. Okay beta? Then I am going to take one question for your book and try to finish this question It's a illustration like started business with cash, beta. Okay. First is the start business with cash. Now here one is cash and one is capital. Both are the which account? Real and one is personal. Okay. Cash came in means debit. Then entry cash account debit to capital. Okay. Business start by cash. Okay. And don't take the tension for the narration. What transaction is given in this question, better directly put that same transaction here. No problem about that. Okay. The amount is 50,000. Okay. Clear? Then draw the line. Put the date that is given. 1st Jan. Okay. Next. Purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. Okay, beta. Purchase. Both are the real account. Two purchase and cash. Purchase and cash. Purchase is real account. Cash is real account. So purchase. Purchase is coming in business. So debit. Purchase account debit to cash. Purchase goods in cash. Okay. And the amount is 20,000. Okay. 2nd June. Sorry, Jan. Purchase goods from Ram. Purchase goods from Ram. It means again next purchase goods. So purchase will debit again. Purchase account debit to Ram, beta. 3. Again goods purchase to Ram and amount 12,000. Okay, beta. Amount 12,000. Clear? Next. Purchase furniture for cash. Here we are going to purchase furniture for cash. Don't confuse about that. Don't confused. Purchase what? Furniture. Furniture is assets. It means assets come in the business. Means debit. Account debit to cash. Purchase in cash and amount 6,000. Okay, beta, clear? How are we doing the entries? 5. Okay, next. Paid cash to Ram. Paid cash to Ram. Just think about paid cash to Ram. Then cash is gone, Ram receiving, then Ram debit to cash. Cash paid to Ram. Amount cash paid to Ram amount. That amount is 8,000. Clear, beta? Next, purchase goods from Ravi for cash. One trick is there. If any person name is given, it means that is the credit transaction. But cash is given, then that is the cash transaction. Okay. So here purchase goods from Ravi, but in cash. Then entry is purchase debit, na? Purchase account debit to cash. Okay, beta? purchase account debit to cash, purchase goods from Ravi. Okay, then amount is 7,500. Then next, its date is 16. Next on 17, purchase goods from Ravi directly. 17 directly purchase goods from Ravi. So in purchase account debit to Ravi beta. Okay, because it's a credit transaction. Ravi is giver, so credit, and purchase is debit. Purchase goods from Ravi. Amount 5,000. Okay, beta, clear? Then next, brought machinery for cash. You have must purchase the machinery. It means machinery is coming in the business. Then machinery account debit to cash. Cash out, machinery came. What came in debit was goes out credit. Purchase in cash. Date is 20 and amount is 8,000. Don't take tension about the amount. Here only take in your mind how we are going to present the entries. Paid rent. Rent is expense. Rent is expense. Then expense is what? Expense is debit beta. So rent account debit to cash. In this transaction only written paid rent in cash. So then we are going to search the two account. We are only saying sir only rent is seen, but we are going to pay the rent in which manner beta? In cash. It means two account, rent and cash, and amount is 400. Rent paid in cash. Okay, clear? After every transaction just draw the line. Okay beta, this is the system. Okay, many other system is there. As like when we are going to transfer the entry on next chapter, next page, then we are totaling that all will I will tell, don't worry. But first clear the how we are going to do the entries with the utilizing of that system. First identify the two account, then relate with these three personal, real and nominal account, and then follow the rules. Okay beta, clear? Okay, thank you.